Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working on a strategy to use when we're reading and we come across an unknown word. The strategy we're going to be looking at today is using the pictures to help us read those unknown words. Today's book is called The Princess and the Peas by Abby Jackson, illustrated by Tammy Smith. The Princess and the Peas. Once there was a princess who was smart and very kind. Behind her not sure what that word is, but let me look at my pictures. Castle, castle. Here I see a picture of a castle. Let me start over and reread. Behind her castle, she kept a beautiful let me go back to my pictures and see what was beautiful that she kept. I see a giant garden that she's taken care of. Okay. Behind her castle, she kept a beautiful garden. She loved this garden more than anything. The princess grew yellow corn, carrots, and sweet green peas. The peas were hard to take care of, but she loved them. She took extra good care of them. Each day, the princess worked in her garden. Sometimes, however, she was lonely. Not really sure what that word is. Let me look at my pictures. Let's see. It says sometimes, however, so she's the princess. She was lonely. So what is she? Let's look at her face. She looks kind of sad, but that doesn't make sense. What's another word for sad? Lonely. Yeah, she looks really lonely because she's all by herself in her garden. Let me start over and reread. Sometimes, however, she was lonely. The princess wanted to share her garden with a prince. Okay, so I just showed you how to use pictures to help you solve unknown words. Now you're going to read the rest of the book today and try to use this strategy.